guys, welcome back to my channel. So another group of entries. This first one is from Karebear. Here's her little card, and then look at her embellishments, you guys. They are like heavy duty sturdy little fans. She's added the lace around the edge. She's got the little gold dots alternating right here, then little trim coming all the way down. I don't know if you guys can see all that. And she's got a little dangle with a tassel right here. And again with this one, look at the little diamonds right here. This one has the pearls. These are so fancy. Very neat. Thank you, Karen. And then this, you guys, oh my gosh. If this is what I think is in here, girl. So she stuck this stuff in. Yes, you did. Yep, you did. You went above and beyond. Oh my gosh. So it's a, like, you know, a photo album, you guys, but obviously not for photos. She's got little fans in here that I can, like, look at this. How many times she cut this? Oh, girl, you're crazy. You were definitely busy, and I appreciate the time that it takes to cut stuff out like this, ladies. Like, that's why I did a die cut challenge, so I won't have to do it so much. Then we have a cute little dress forms right here. Then we have this, so I can alter it. She cut it out in white, like leaves and stuff. Very nice. And then this one right here, we got little tickets, and it's got little dress forms and stuff on it. So cute. Then this one, ooh, look at this. Look at these feathers. They're in like all sorts of fancy cardstock. And then the little baby feathers that she separated. So cute. And then this page, we have some utensils in like a really pretty gold and silver metallic. And over here, we have some gold, like, flower style ones. Oh, look at these, you guys. Whoa. So pretty and fancy. Then this one right here. Oh, she's got multiple pieces in here. What is this? Oh, it looks like a little teapot with some cups. So cute. And then, like, a bigger teapot in the back. There we go. And then this one. Oh, my gosh. It's got, like, little spoons and the little, like, pitcher, like a lemonade pitcher. So cute. This one, the little mermaid tail border, and I never picked up this die, and I feel like I should. So cute. This one, she has hearts galore. I like that it's all organized, and I can just throw it straight into my organization like I did it. Cute little, like, heart style stamps, little baby stitched hearts. Look how many hearts are in there, you guys. All, she went and used her dies. Then we have, like, little page flag style ones, fishtail ones. Oh, what is this one? So cute. It says smile in like a really pretty cursive. Then this one, we got all sorts of like layering dies, you guys. All sorts of squares. That looks like a stamp style oval frame. Look at all these background dies. Yes, girly. So cute. Oh, look at this. Bag topper haven over here. This. She's put this one together for me. Look at all the fun patterns and stuff. Oh, you went to town. Little dress right here and really pretty. I think that's Prima paper right there. So pretty. Kindness. Yes, you're so kind for cutting all these out. This one says coffee. Look at these bag toppers in here. This is a good size bag topper. Got these ones. And she's like assembled that like layering piece already done for me. Thank you, girly. Oh, and then the rest, obviously, if she filled this whole thing up, she'd be die cutting all day. Look how fat and juicy it is already. Thank you so much, Karen, that you did not have to do all of that. Next one is from Kathy. She's Cats Will Create. That's what I was trying to say it fast. This is her entry right here, was inside of here. Little die cuts. Okay, so these are her embellishments. This is like layered several times, 3 or 4 times. She's got the little heart shape, the little eyelash trim hanging out behind the butterflies, the little flag right here. Love these little gems on the center of them. They're so cute. Love this little always paper. Super cute. This was her card. She like layered it up and made that as well. Okay, so these are her die cuts. She's got like doily style ones, frame ones. Oh, look at that little bunny. Frame little like mirror style frames, little purse. These are the pinwheels. Little dresses, and some flowers in here. Look how cute that flower is. So cute. Thank you, Kathy, for playing. Next one is from Becky. She's Becky Crafty and Callie on Instagram. This is her entry right here. Look at her little card she made. Congratulations. Yes, girly. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these. Look at like, oh, they're fingerprints, like a stamped fingerprint. She's got the little bunny cheeks. Oh my gosh. And they're all on this like scalloped oval tulle shaker. You get all the shaker bits are behind the bunny rabbits. Then they got their little flower crowns. This one has like a little bow. She's got the little fringe at the top. Looks like she used that, what's that glitter glue called? Glitter glue? I think it's called glitter glue. Little bow at the top. These are so cute. Perfect for spring. And then these are her die cuts. Let's see if I can get in there. Cut. Again, she did the, that glue. What's that glue? Glitterific? Glitterific? Is that the word? Can't think of the name, you guys. Having a blank. And she sent all sorts of die cuts in here. She's got the little bird houses, cute little stitched bow, some more bird houses and bows. Look at that little dove. She cut it out in pink, green, that light pink color, a swirly pink, pastel purple, pastel shimmer yellow, and then like a darker purple. All sorts of colors, solid colors. You could easily work with those. Thank you so much for playing. The next one is from Tracy Swindle. This is her little entry. Oh, where's the envelope? I had an envelope for this. I don't know where I put it. Look at her. Look at this butterfly, you guys. So it's all puffed up, very dimensional. Got trims on here, a little border edge. Look at these embellishments. She's layered that rosette. I don't even know how many times. They're so thick, probably like 3 times. I feel like. Then she's got this rainbow butterfly on there. It says wonderful, be creative, and then she's cut out that exact. This butterfly right here, cut it out probably 10 times, if not more, because it looks super thick. And then she has all the little white shaker bits in here. Look at the little eyelash trim is hanging out. Lots of detail going on, and these are so thick, probably a ½ inch thick. Very thick, Tracy. Super cute. Thank you, girly. And like I said, her die cuts are right there. The next one is from Sarah, who is crafting and relaxing here on YouTube. Let's see. I think on Instagram too. Let's see. This was her card right here. She's got a little wood veneer. And what technique did you use to get those like shimmer lines on the rays? So pretty. Okay, anyway. Okay, so these are her embellishments. She did like a triple layer flower, layered it up, little gemstones in the center, and then she made a non-pastel one because she likes working with like traditional colors, you know, versus pastel. So this one's layered up multiple times. Looks like a little gem or maybe a brad. And this piece, it might be wood. It's so thick and sturdy. Thank you, girly. Cute. Okay, and then these are her die cuts. Looks like a lot of them are white, so I can alter them. She's got the little flowers, like how she made the embellishments. Got a little white doily style one. Oh, look at these beautiful, like, treescape. So cute. Here's another one right here. Love that die. Oh, look at this cute hello. And then she's layered it for me so I don't lose the pieces. Then the little flowers, again, like she layered hers. A label style one, flower, and then a doily. Perfect. Thank you, girly, for playing. Karen Tanner, she's a Karebear Santiago here on YouTube. And this is her entry. This was her handmade card she made, you guys. Like, the time it takes to, like, go through, make all the strips, then fringe all the strips. You guys can hear it all. Each layer is fringed. Little twine. This is her card, and it's on this really pretty glitter. Super cute, girly. And then you guys look at her embellishments. Look at the shaker bits down at the bottom. Cute little hearts and stuff. Look at it. They're like banners, and this is super, like, she sent me some. I don't know if she made these, bought these, if they're altered straws. I'm not sure, but she sent me some, so now I can make my own. She's got little banners. Look at all the different shapes and like textures, a little trim hanging down, resin, epoxy, more trim hanging down. You rule. Look at that cute little bow, cupcake, the little eyelashes. These are so like detailed. Look at the little gem. And she's got pom-poms at the end to top it off. And this is all, the back paper is embossed with bows. How fun that is. Super cute, girly. And again, like I said, she sent me some. I'll leave them on there if I don't want to ruin them. Oh, and then she sent in, yeah, oh, look, it's like a kit, so I can make my own. So there's the sticks, and then look, she's went ahead and like paper pieced the pieces already together for me. How cute. The little page flags, kind of like page flags. How cute is this? Thank you, girlie. Did all the work for me. All I gotta do is glue it. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna leave it in here so I know that they go with those sticks. Perfect, Karen. Thank you for playing, and I think that's gonna round it up for this group. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.